1911, December 21st, was the day on which Central Bank of India was founded by our founder, Sir Swadeshi. He was a senior clerk in a foreign bank at that time.
He wanted to join the banking community, but it was not offered by the Britishers then. So he thought he would start a bank for Indians.
A bank which is managed by Indians, for the Indians, by the Indians, and of the Indians. Process of innovation constantly continues, and I'm sure there are several small innovations that we have done across the board.
Innovation has really helped us to roll out our products in masses across the branches.
In 1969, when the nationalization of the private sector banks took place, Central Bank of India was the #1 nationalized bank out of the 14 banks.
We are third largest bank in the country in terms of branch. We all taken together. By March 2012, we could be around 4,000 outlets.
We have more than 25 million customers. We have introduced a number of technology-based products that will reach customers effectively. We have introduced mobile banking. We have introduced net banking. We have gone in for this 100% CBS. We are increasing our ATM network in a very rapid manner.
We have about 2/3 of the branches are in the rural and semi-urban areas.
We are very strong in the Northeast. We are strong in West Bengal. We are strong in Bihar and in UP. Now Odisha also we are expanding our presence. Strong in now Chhattisgarh, obviously Madhya Pradesh. It's sort of moved into these states, which to my mind will be the future growth areas in India. Last year in March, we have launched a program called Operation Navchetana, which means revival. So it's a rejuvenation. So the same people but rejuvenated.
The bank has about 30,000 staff plus, and it is really a very big challenge.
It's a rejuvenation of our processes, of our network. That is, we are trying to upgrade our branches, the look, so that customers get a better experience when they come.
जो ये ब्रांच है आपके पार्लियामेंट स्ट्रीट की, ये तो बहुत बढ़िया है. इसमें लोगों का बिहेवियर भी ठीक है और मैनरता भी है और आपके कस्टमर को भी ढंग से ट्रीट करते हैं.
New approach that we are seeing for the last 2 years has really impressed us a lot, and we are increasing our business.
The central bank is giving a facility of housing loan for the DDA forms, and people are quite cooperative, and I think they're working late hours also.
Whenever we need any immediate requirement of the funds in the working capital as well as in the turnover, we are getting the immediate solution from the bank side.
In the early 20s, when my grandfather decided that he wanted to expand and he needed a bank loan, and that was the time when, because of Central Bank, he got a big loan to actually expand his business.
मेरा बैंक हर जगह मेरे माँ बाप की जगह है. मेरा बच्चा बड़े बुरे हालात में हुआ, सारे डॉक्टर्स ने जवाब दे दिया, एकदम 5 लाख रुपए का खर्चा आया. बैंक की सोसाइटी से, बैंक से लोन लिया, किसी रिश्तेदार के आगे हाथ नहीं फैलाना पड़ा.
So overall, we want to make our staff, after all they are members of society, better human beings and better employees of the bank, so that they can contribute more to the bank.
कॉमनवेल्थ गेम्स के हम लोग ऑफिशियल बैंकर बने. एक बहुत बड़ा अचीवमेंट है, जिसकी वजह से जो अंतर्राष्ट्रीय स्तर में हम कहीं ना कहीं दूसरे बैंक से पीछे हो रहे थे. T3 में भी अब मनी एक्सचेंज काउंटर्स वहाँ पर खुले हैं. कॉमनवेल्थ गेम्स के साथ साथ देश का तो नाम हुआ ही हुआ, बैंक का भी बहुत नाम हुआ.
Change is the only thing constant, Contexts change, opportunities change, and we need to keep on revisiting whatever we are doing so that we are able to do things differently.
Now with the technology having enabled us to open any number of accounts on offline mode, online mode, offering banking through big ATMs, small ATMs, now micro ATMs.
Financial inclusion is in our DNA. Because if you read Sir Swadeji's speeches those days, he didn't have the word financial inclusion, but really he was looking at the average man.
So we have gone to the smart cards based technologies. We have introduced about 8 lakh cards, biometric cards are already there. The bank has got a separate e-Shakti project in Bihar.
E-Shakti is not only for financial inclusion, it is also for empowering the holder of that E-Shakti card.
हमको ये पहचान पत्र बन गया है, तो इससे हम पैसा जमा कर सकते हैं और निकाल भी सकते हैं।
पहले काम कर रहे थे, 2-4 दिन करते थे काम, तो वो डायरी पर नाम लिखता था, मेरा हाजिरी चढ़ता या नहीं चढ़ता, और पेमेंट के लिए भी महीना से 2 महीना लग जाता। अब जो ई-शक्ति कार्ड मिला है, पैसा भी चुटकी से मिल जाता, और बैंक भी जो है पैसा देने के लिए हमारे साइड पे ही चली जाती है।
2500 से 1500 रुपये हमारे को एडवांस लोन मिल जाता है।
The bank has about 1,32,000 SHGs, of which about 90,000 are credit linked to the bank. They are already enjoying credit limits.
मेरे पास 10 सेल्फ हेल्प ग्रुप है। मैंने बैंक से 3rd ग्रेडिंग करवा चुकी हूँ मैं, तो 4,08,000 का मेरे को लोन मिला है और हमारा समूह अच्छा चल रहा है।
10 ग्रुप मिल के पैसा उठाए 50,000, पैसा लेके खेत लिए पेश की, धान रोपे हैं तो बच गए तो धान काट रहे हैं।
The credit provided is 434 crore. It's a big sum. But even this is not enough. I think this can be we can put 2 zeros easily.
Jivika is a Bihar government initiative supported by the World Bank, whereby we are trying to provide composite financial assistance to families below the poverty line.
The ladies have a big role in this. In fact, our focus has been on women empowerment.
जीविका से पैसा 45,000 लेके दुकान खोलें तो उससे हमका लाभ हो रहा है।
बिहार में 8 जिले में हम काम कर रहे हैं। 8 जिले का 44 ब्लॉक में हमने काम शुरू किया है। आज के डेट में 21,000 SHG बन चुके हैं।
The third level, I think, is to move into micro enterprises. As urban India is now looking at rural India also as a consumer and not just as a supplicant, if I may say so. I think that is providing us huge opportunities.
मेरे 15 साल से आंवले का एक बगीचा है। पहले मार्केट में आंवला बिकता नहीं था, तो मैंने सोचा कि इस आंवले का मैं जूस निकाल करके और मार्केट में सप्लाई करूं। जब मेरे को ऊंचा लेवल करने से कुछ पैसे की ज़रूरत पड़ी, मैंने सेंट्रल बैंक ऑफ इंडिया के मैनेजर साहब से संपर्क साधा, मुझे 15 लाख रुपए का स्वीकृत पत्र दे दिया।
Central Bank of India in the last about a year and a half has been trying to add a technology edge in all our offerings, whatever we do.
Centenary year, of course, is a great occasion to celebrate. It's only because of the generations after generations of the customers we are at this stage today. And also the efforts put in by the yesteryear leaders.
Despite all the new banks that have been around, Central Bank has still been our lead bank for at least the last 50 years or more. And so I think that what it builds is trust. And the trust is that essentially that we will not let you down, you don't let us down.
It's giving us a lot of confidence, and we are formulating our new plans, and I think the association with Central Bank of India is increasing day by day.
The bank's vision, of course, you must be aware, to be proactive in providing various financial services to the customers through all channels. And that is what we are in today.
The action in future, I think, needs to ensure that people at the bottom of the pyramid have to be lifted up so that we have one India. I would tend to think Central Bank of India will focus on the bottom of the pyramid and to provide solutions for them, perhaps with a little bit of support and backstop from the government or some any other source. Central Bank of India will be able to provide solutions than just money. So this is my vision for next 100 years.
Ready?
Huh?
Yes!
Huh? Hey. Go.
Refreshingly different ideas. Central Bank of India.